Okay, so for question A, you have to draw the graph first. Then we label the initial arm. And because the given cosine theta is negative, according to the cast rule, the terminal arm must be in quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. So for question B, once we have one ratio, we can find all the other ratios by making a right angle triangle on the graph. And based on the given cosine, the adjacent is 5 and the hypotenuse is 12. Now we can use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the opposite side, which will be square root 119. This will give us a sine ratio of square root 119 and 12, and because we have two possible angles in quadrant 2 and 3. So if it is sine ratio, quadrant 2 can be positive and quadrant 3 can be negative. And then for the tangent ratio, same idea. We use square root 119 over 5. And same thing with the sine ratio, quadrant 2 will be negative and quadrant 3 will be positive. Now for question C, in order to get the angle, we need to find the related acute angle, which is here, the RAA, and here. To find the RAA, we can use the given cosine ratio inversed, which equals 59 degrees. Now we find theta 1, which is 180 degrees minus our 59 degrees. This equals 121 degrees. And now to find theta 2, which is our other possible angle, by doing 180 degrees plus 59 degrees, equaling 239 degrees. Now those are our possible values of theta.